everyone, this is Kang with a different set of gadgets and gizmos brought to you by ASRock. So we currently have here the B460M Steel Legend, and it's so cute. With the recent release of the Intel's 10th generation processors, we have our first batch of motherboard from ASRock to hit the studio. Okay, so in our most recent video, we just unboxed the ASRock B460 Steel Legend. That is part of the latest motherboard lineup release to support the Intel 10th generation processors and the LGA 1200 socket. So right now, we have here the B460M Steel Legend, that is the micro ATX version of the one that we unboxed before. So what are we waiting for? Let's get with the unboxing now. Okay, so this has a different packaging compared to the B460. We have here the IO shield and some screws, yes, and a black envelope consisting the ASRock Steel Legend card, driver, 2 Velcro cable ties, and the Steel Legend sticker, and of course the software setup guide and the quick installation guide over here, and SATA cables, 1 pair of SATA cables, yes, and underneath is the it's so cute because it's a micro ATX motherboard. So small but powerful, yeah? We'll discuss about it later after this unboxing, so better stay tuned. Voila! Also, it's still sealed, so I'm gonna cut it after this video. So this one is the B460M Steel Legend motherboard by ASRock. The ASRock B460M Steel Legend is relatively more affordable compared to the ATX version, but is just smaller in size. When it comes to specification, ASRock did not take anything out. As discussed previously, if overclocking or running high DDR4 memory frequencies are not your thing, then a B460M board is what you want to go for. The PCB is designed with an urban camo silk screening. The ASRock B460M Steel Legend board is meant for MATX cases. It offers a single heatsink cover for the second Ultra M.2 slot. Do note that if the slot is occupied by SATA type M.2 device, SATA 3 slot will be disabled. Additionally, an optional Wi-Fi card, a front USB Type-C header, and a decent amount of RGB on board, which could be added onto with the 2 RGB headers and 2 ARGB headers. When it comes to expansion slots, you have 2 PCIe 3.0x16 slots running at a single PCIe by 16, dual at PCIe by 16 and PCIe by 4, and 2 PCIe 3.0x1 slots. The top by 16 slot features ASRock Steel Armor. The ASRock B460M Steel Legend is equipped with 4 DDR4 DIMM slots that supports up to DDR4 2933 MHz speed with a total capacity of 128GB across its 4 slots. This includes supports for memory with Extreme Memory Profile or XMP 2.0 profiles. As far as the audio goes, ASRock is using a Realtek ALC 1200 audio codec. You can see the Nichikan Fine Gold Series audio caps as well as the PCB isolated shieldings for the audio section of the board. While the ASRock B460M Steel Legend uses a Realtek RTL8125PG chipset for its connectivity. The LAN connection supports up to 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet. Also, there is a total of 6 fan headers spread along the board. And lastly, rear I/O ports consist of 1 antenna bracket, 1 PS2 mouse or keyboard port, 1 HDMI port, 1 DP 1.4, 1 optical SPDIF out port, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C port, LAN port with LED, and lastly, the HD audio jacks. Well, that's my unboxing of this ASRock B460M Steel Legend motherboard. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you learned from this video. Again, this is Kang Dupet, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye everyone!